Hello, this is a quick guide on how to launch the Microsoft Office applications like a pro. To launch any applications, majority of us users will normally locate the icon for that application, click or double click it, and the application will open. Now, what happens when our favorite applications for some security reasons, for administrative reasons, are no longer pinned to the taskbar, cannot be found on the start menu? And what should we do when even the shortcut cannot be located on the desktop? We would rely on the inbuilt tool called the run utility. Now, to launch, you simply click on the start menu and search for run. Type RUN, it opens. Another alternative is to use the keyboard combination of Windows key and the letter R on the keyboard. It opens. Now, let us get started. The first of the Microsoft Office suite of tools will be the most popular Microsoft Word. Now, let us type WinWord on the run utility. WinWord is one word. Win and Word. That is the executable name by those who programmed or who created it. So without that name typed correctly, it will not run. So you have to be careful. Now, the run utility just needs the executable name. Press enter, it will open the Microsoft Word. Now, whilst this is opening, another interesting tool to use, or that people use a lot, is the Microsoft Excel. Now launch the Windows key and R. Hold on to the Windows key and R to launch the run utility again. Type Excel, EXCEL. It launches the Microsoft Excel that creates spreadsheets, graphs, and all of that. The next one is the PowerPoint. A lot of us make beautiful presentations to impress clients and all of that, even students, learners, trainers, teachers. We simply type on the run utility Power PNT. Once again, Power PNT. One word. Power PNT. Power PNT is the executable name for PowerPoint. So, or you can select the theme that you desire just to make an impression and beautiful presentation. The next is Outlook. You simply run and type Outlook. Outlook. Now, the advantage of all of this is that whenever you get into a public computer, or even a computer that most of these things have been restricted or hidden, and you cannot locate the icon, you simply rely on the run utility. It's the same way, type OneNote, it will open. Now, let us move away from the applications a bit. You can actually also launch maybe calculator. Let's launch calculator. Let's launch calculator. CALC, the first four letters of calculator. CALC will launch the calculator. These are productive tool utilities that most users just engage with from time to time in a workplace. Now, let's move away. Locate the root of drive C. Now, after working on your spreadsheet, you would want to save it, or you would want to also access other removable drives. You simply type launch the run and backslash. One backslash opens the root of drive C. You see the C drive opens and you can navigate. Now, another one is to open the Explorer by going to the home, user's home directory. One dot, a single dot type takes you to the user's home directory. Now, for those of us who like to launch like a pro, let us take it further and add some additional stuff. Let's get onto the internet by launching the default browser. You simply type www. Takes you to the default browser. This is a Microsoft computer. The default is the Microsoft Edge. You can launch other browsers provided there. For example, Chrome. Type Chrome. If they are installed, Chrome will launch. If it is not installed, you probably hit a wall. Also, you can launch other browsers like Safari, but the most important thing is they would launch besides the default. If you want the default, you would go www. Now you have launched Safari. You simply type Safari and it will launch. Once again, to launch any application with which the icons cannot be located, for you to double click, you simply invoke the run utility. To invoke the run utility, Windows key and letter R, you type in the executable name, and that is that. Once again, I'd like to thank you for viewing. Thank you.